Hey guys, I picked up this coffee can full of clamps a while back. Yeah, a lot of these are junk, but there's a bunch of DeStaCos in there, so I thought we'd do a quick overview on them and dig into their history a little bit. These things are great for sheet metal or welding work. When you squeeze the handles, they lock down, and these things are not opening up. You can try to pry those jaws apart all you want, but they ain't coming loose. But when we go back to the handles, easy peasy, they open up no problem. The DeStaCos are kind of a simpler design alternative to the vice grip style locking clamps. They work on a similar cam action principle, just a little bit different implementation. Basically, you have 4 pivot points here, and when those 3 at the bottom line up in a straight line, it's locked down, and the only way to open it up is to pull apart the handles, which brings that middle pivot point back down below the center line, unlocking it. And then they use a plain old bolt to act as both a clamping jaw and an adjustment mechanism for the grip tension. Simple but effective. DeStaCo was founded as the Detroit Stamping Company back in 1915 by a William Roberts. They originally made metal stampings, like this cool toothpaste tube holder, which was invented by William Roberts. It was in 1935 that they came out with their first toggle clamp, designed by Frank McKenna. These style clamps would become extremely popular with automotive manufacturers. I cannot find a patent for the Pliers style ones, but I did find them in this ad from 1940, so they likely came out sometime right before World War II. In 1944, they introduced a model with a spring-loaded, self-adjusting mechanism. I've never seen one of these in the wild, but I did find an ad for one from '44, so they must have made some of them. In '55, DeStaCo patented a design for a quick-release lever. Interestingly, this came 2 years before Vice Grip added the quick-release lever to their pliers. Also interestingly, DeStaCo attempted to make their own vice grip style pliers in 1945. This design uses a thumb wheel in the body to adjust the tension, compared to the vice grip which used a thumb screw in the tail of the handle. This was likely an attempt to get around the Peterson vice grip patent. I've also never encountered this design out in the wild, so I don't know if it was ever produced. DeStaCo would get bought out by the Dover Corporation, a conglomerate, in 1962, but they're still around today, making an insanely huge variety of different style toggle clamps. They're not cheap if you buy them new, but I have found these pretty cheap used at flea markets and through military surplus shops. They're very handy tools to have whenever you need to weld or rivet a couple of pieces of sheet metal together. So if you ever see a coffee can full of these at the flea market, I'd go ahead and pick it up. Thanks everyone for watching. See you later. Bye.